First day back to work. It's a snow day.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
Welcome back, guys. Loake 771B, playing old Resole. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Hope everyone's doing great. So we're just going to be breaking down the shoe again. So we're taking off the top lift. So we'll do that first. Now, depending which range of Loakes you go for, some of them have leather stacked built up heels. The ones that are a wee bit more expensive. And their sort of standard range seem to always have fiberboard. Remove this old sole. It's not been stitched on the last time it's been done, so I'm just going to use a knife and break the contact of the glue that we got there. Right, so first look at the inside of the shoe. We're obviously going to be doing a full new cork layer. It's the old cork here. We're going to need to do a new shank as well, because as you can see, this one has split. Welt is in super good condition, so it's just going to be a plain resole. There's not going to be any welting or anything in this type. We're going to clean up all this cork and get it all prepared for the next set. So that's most of the old stitches removed, just a few little extra ones here. So I'm just going to pull them out and then we'll be ready for the cork. Okay, so that's the shoe all broken down. We're going to be making a new rand for it, popping in some fresh cork and a new shank. Let's get to it. Corky time! So that's the new sole all glued up. Got to pop it in the heat lamp now. Reactivate the glue. Right, that's all activated, so we're just going to pop this on. Again, getting this in the centre of the shoe as best as possible. Okay guys, just cut off this excess leather that we've got on the sides here. Just using this tool here. This is called a Ranger. So this will start to give the shoe a little bit of shape. So now we're just going to trim off the excess wee part that we've got left to the contour of the shoe, and then we'll be ready to groove a channel and stitch. Just cutting the leather out for where we're going to put the toe plate. Still a wee bit of a lip here, so I'm just going to have to take a little bit extra off of here. So let's get this stitched on now. So the shoe is nicely coming together. Now we're going to attack the heel. Our new heel block, a couple of pieces of stacked leather, and a nice JR heel as well. So now for the pitch. As you can see, if we attach it now, the heel is going to be sitting like that, and then the guy's going to be walking like an E-jet. So what we need to do is just scour this at an angle and allow that to sit on a little bit better. There we go. Heel block's ready to be attached now. Okay guys, it's nicely coming together, so we're just going to have to trim the excess of the heel block, just using the rough scouring band here, and then we'll put it to the shape of the shoe. So that's the heel block to the shape of the shoe, but it is very rough still because we used the rough band. So what we're going to be doing is using this smooth band, finer grit, and we'll leave a nice smooth finish on it. So in order for us to get a really nice finish on the sides, what I like to do is get a cloth, wet it a little bit, just run that along the side of the shoe, and then grabbing a sanding pad, just wet sanding the sole and the heel. Gives a nice smooth finish to the leather. And then when we put the inking on and the wax and the polish, it just works really nice and gives a nice shiny finish. So you can see I've inked it a little bit, still quite rough there, so we're just going to smooth that all out with these brushes here. Okay, so just adding some brass nails for decoration. I've already punched some holes, so these should be able to go in quite nice. Nice and flush as well. Okay guys, so that's us done with another project. Thanks again for tuning in. Drop a little comment, see what you think about the job. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. Alright, until the next one, take care and peace out.